Yo, yo, yo. You know what it is. Take a look at these beautiful box here. Just picked this up from the Nike app. Let's take a look here. Y'all know. Air Jordan 12 Retros. Size 12. Let's get into it. Whoa! You feel the excitement? Peekaboo. I see you. Yeah. All right. Those things look beautiful. Let's take them out. Take a quick look. Oh my goodness. What do y'all think about these new Jordan 12s, man? First pair of 12s I've ever had, to be honest with you. I really like the look of them. Got the graphite on the bottom. Looking really good, man. Hit me up at arizonaridersclub.com or any of my social medias. We can get these off to you, man. Yeah, man. Let's take one more look around this beautiful shoe here. Beautiful, right? Amazing. All right, man. Y'all know the slogan. Oh, before we get into the slogan, do me a huge favor. Like the video, subscribe, and share it. Please share the video. And as usual, it's T with Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.